In this Oracle database tutorial, we will learn what archive log mode is. Afterwards, we will put the database into archive log mode. Finally, we will take the database out of archive log mode. So let's start. First, I connect to the SQL Plus program in the System Admin role. I start the database in open mode. I will connect to the database with the system user using SQL Developer. I have a few select queries that I have prepared in advance. You can see which file the redo logs are in the database by running the first query. There are 3 redo log files. For example, the database started writing data to the first log file. When the first log file is full, it starts writing to the second one. When the second log file is full, it starts writing to the third. When the third log file is full, it starts overwriting the data in the first. This cycle continues continuously if the database is active. If the database is in archive mode, the backup process starts immediately at each switch. If the database is not in archive mode, the data in the first log file is lost. Because the data in the redo log file is not archived. You can see what mode the database is in by running the second query. The database is currently in noarchive mode. By running the third query, you can see the file used by the database for archive mode and its size. When the database is in archive mode, the redo log uses the fast recovery area file for backup. The total usable space here is approximately 8 GB. Now let's learn how to put the database in archive mode. First, I close the database in immediate mode. I open the database in mount mode. I put the database into archive mode using the alter database command. Finally, you can import the database into open mode using this code. Let's run 3 queries again. We can see that we have put the database in archive log mode by running the second query. Finally, let's put the database in noarchive mode. I shut down the database in immediate mode. I start the database in mount mode. I put the database into noarchive mode with the alter database command. Finally, I put the database in open mode. You can see what mode the database is in by running the second query. I recommend you to watch the next Oracle database lessons by following the playlist. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.